Hey, what's up guys? What I have here is a 2-pack of replacement lawnmower wheels for a Craftsman lawnmower. They're 8-inch. The company ran one, sent them to me for free so I could do a quick unboxing, show them to you, let you see the quality, and then give you my opinion on them. So go ahead and crack the box open here. And this is the actual box that they come in. So you can see that they come bubble wrapped individually. So there's one wheel. There's the second wheel. I just want to give you a really quick up close look at the tread. You can see there's really nice deep treads, obviously good for self-propelled mowers. And then you have all of your gears inside, again for the self-propelled mowers, and metal bushings inside. So the quality of them, they feel really nice. Again, the rubber on here feels nice. I mean, really nice white bright plastic. Overall, these are definitely good quality wheels. So I'd say if you have an older Craftsman mower, I guess even a newer one, just make sure that you check the models that they have listed on the site. But for the most part, I read through it and it looks like they're really compatible with just about any Craftsman lawnmower. If you need wheels for it, go ahead and grab these. Just make sure you check those specs first.